The Network and Cloud Infrastructure program here in IT Sligo has a choice of entry levels, a 3-year level 7 degree or a 4-year level 8 honours degree. The key skill sets that you will learn from this program are you will be able to evaluate and test hardware and software, you'll be able to design, implement and secure networks and also configure and secure cloud technologies. The key focus of this program is around the infrastructure that powers the movement of data. So therefore, there is an emphasis on cybersecurity for this program, in particular building security into these technologies from the ground up. The Network and Cloud program here in IT Sligo has a work placement opportunity with industry at Year 3. Students also have the opportunity at Year 3 to engage with industry in their group project. And then students will be engaging with an individual project at Year 4, which gives them an opportunity to research a topic of their choice. This program aligns closely with industry standards and accreditations. For example, this program maps closely to Cisco's CCNA accreditation and AWS certificates. We understand that some of the students may not have had an opportunity to look at some of the technologies that we offer. So this common first year gives them an opportunity to look at all the technologies to start with, and then they have an opportunity at the end of Year 1 to change their program if they so wish. Every business has an IT system that needs to be managed, configured and secured. There's a huge demand in the workplace for IT professionals like this that need skills that are key for managing these infrastructure systems. Because we work closely with industry, we have ties with some of the big players nationally, for example, AWS, industries in Dublin, industries in Galway, and we are blessed to have some IT industries here in Sligo. The Networking and Cloud program here offered in IT Sligo is a very hands-on and practical program. If you enjoy troubleshooting, being creative and solving problems with technology, then this is the course for you.